Hello everybody, I'm back to another video, and today's video is going to be making a house for your parrot. So let's get into this video. So if y'all don't have the Xbox, then it's probably not going to work for y'all. Or the PlayStation, y'all need to have a thing that's like, come with like that, like an Xbox or PlayStation or something. It don't really matter. So let's put it up, connect it up there. Oh shoot. I need to get that. I need to get something, guys. Wait, good. Hold it. Let me see. Got you. So push it on there. It should be way better. And I'm in the water. So as soon as I get out, I think my birdies are out here. My parrots. Parrots. Hello? Hello, parrot. Come on. Come on, get on my shoulder. Come on. Get on me. Come on, buddy. Hey guys, so as you can see, if I actually go really close to one, like I could actually pick him up. Pick you up. I could get him. Hey, get on my shoulder. Get on my shoulder, little buddy. You know what? I think I could get them to sit down when they're in the water. Come on, let's go. So those are my birds. I hope you can see. So what you really want to do is get your birdies to follow you around. Well, let me check if we actually got the new thing already. Okay, no, we still don't get it. But you could go and get the blocks for it. So what you want to do to make your birdhouse is get that. Get an oak wood, get some oak wood, get some oak fences, some oak fence gate. What else? Oh yeah, this, if I can find it. Get them some black carpet. It could be any carpet. Get some buttons. So let me see if I can pick them up. Got them. So you can see I have a parrot. Here, let me show. Pick them up, pick them up, pick them up, pick them up. I can see if you get 10 parrots, they will actually get on your shoulders. So yeah, let's just walk to the place that we're gonna put them at. Probably gonna be over there. So what I'm gonna use so they can't fall off my shoulders, my shoulder. I'm gonna get a staircase, place it down. You can see I still have them. If you jump, they're gonna fall off. So I do not recommend you do that. It would be pretty bad. So what you? Oh shoot! One of them fell. Okay. I actually like this one. It's really cute. So what you want to do is you place your block there. Oops. You place your block. Place that. You hurry. Get some buttons. Place it down. Place a button there. Place a button. As I can see, they really like it for some reason already. Can you clearly? Excuse me. Thank you. Get off, please, please. Trying to make you a home. Look, as I can see, guys. Here, let me go into this. Get these birds. Let me get this bird. Let me get this one. As I can see, if I jump, they would fall off. So yeah, it's one thing. So what you want to do is you build up. Have to get up. Stop moving my birds. So yeah, you do that. Right here, you can build a little the fence there for them. If I could get it. Gate for them. Hello? The gate. There you go. It's not building a gate. What is happening? I did this lesson. It actually worked. Yeah. So let me look at my information on how to make these. Yeah, I'm doing it right, but what's wrong? Let me try different kinds of gate. Let me try that one. Oh, what? I can make my design that I wanted for these guys. Just gonna have to make them that, like that, and then things over here like that. So those things, those are so they could stand up, guys. So you wanna, like up here, you could put your wool, some wool there. Put your little birdie, some wool over there. You could move that. Put it lower for them, probably. Cause I have 4 little ones. Excuse me, okay. Then place it right there. So somehow you're gonna have to get them. There you go. Oh, that was pretty good. Oh shoot! What happens if I get them on my shoulders? If I could get them on my shoulders, and then I could fly. Try to get them up there. Oh crud! I mean, I could do it, but I can't do it really fast. Never mind. Hey guys, get up here. Get up here. Somehow, guys, you're gonna have to. Oh, there we go. So then you press him, and he's sitting down. He actually flew up here, so he's gonna be the lead one. So yeah, look, he actually really likes it. As you could click with him. So follow me. Come on, follow. Here. Follow. 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 Here. Now you're gonna make it up here? Come on, you're birdies. Okay, you got it, you got it. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Get it, get it. Oh, get it, get it, get it, get it right here, get it right. Get it right here, get it right here. Get it right there. Oh no! Oh, oh. Sit down, sit down. No! So, yeah. Rick probably recommended you. Oh shoot, no. Can you, come on, little birdie. With the rainbow on yourself. Get over here, get over here. Get over here. You got this, you got this, you got this, you got this. No, no! I believe if you could come up here and sit down. Sit! Sit up. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Get down here. Get down here. Get down here. Careful. You got it. You got it. No! So it's pretty frustrating, guys. I'm sorry. It's pretty hard. Well, as you can see, that one really likes it. So, yeah. Y'all could go get their spawn egg right here. You could get their spawn egg and then get their seed, the normal seeds. You know, some seeds. And then you would place a bird down, and you would try and tame him on there. If I could get a bird up. Okay, you really suck. Here, come on. Try to get a little birdie. So you start taming him. Hopefully he stays there. No. Okay, never mind. So yeah, that could actually work if you ever wanted them to live there. So yeah, guys. Bye, guys. That was a tutorial to how to make them their little house.